Times right now are tough. So many of us stay home every single day and complete schoolwork on a computer, leaving us feeling nothing but emotionally drained and tired by the end of the evening. While it may feel as though it is impossible to maintain a positive mindset, there's actually an easy way to do so, and that is by listening to music. In fact, Greater Good magazine reports that neuroscientists have discovered that listening to music heightens positive emotions through the reward center of our brain, therefore producing a direct source of dopamine. For those of you who are unsure what dopamine is, it is a neurotransmitter located in the brain that leaves us feeling happy. And for college students, it is very important to find ways of finding a natural and beneficially health-wise form of dopamine. So many fall short of doing this by resorting to drugs or alcohol, but that is actually very negative for your health benefits in the future. So, although many fail to take advantage of the positive benefits that come along while listening to music, studies have found that one's mental and physical well-being are able to drastically increase in positive aspects once engaging in their favorite music of choice. In this speech, I will discuss how listening to music can prevent anxiety, get the body up and moving, and how it can improve relaxation, which eases up on stress. Anxiety is a constant struggle for so many people. For college students especially, we are all suffering with the never-ending amount of assignments, and then on top of that, feeling the pressure to maintain good grades. It really can result in nothing but an anxious feeling. While there are many ways to ease this anxiety, one of the easiest and fastest solutions is to simply listen to music. Music has the ability to calm one's mind by making them forget about the world around them and relax. In therapy, patients who suffer with anxiety often find themselves going to a form of music therapy that helps them forget about what's going on around them. Michigan Medicine reports on Bob Huffman, who has been teaching or leading music therapy for over 15 years. For Huffman, he sits down and plays the guitar, leaving the group patients in front of him to feel the vibrations of the music in their body. By feeling these vibrations, it makes the body feel alert, and the body is aware that they are being present somewhere. And even just feeling something and being present in a moment helps ease your anxiety. It makes you forget where your mind is trying to take you, and it brings you back to reality. Another way that music therapy helps is that certain melodies can make you think of certain moments in your life that were happy and positive. And by going back in time and remembering these happy and positive times through a melody, you are able to leave your current state of mind and understand or feel those happy and positive mindsets that you felt back when you first heard this melody. And therefore, you're able to take away the anxiety feeling that you were feeling in your current mind. It is also important to select music that matches your current mood when trying to ease your anxiety. Things to consider are how fast your heart is racing, how fast you are breathing, and how sluggish you are feeling. As far as tempo goes, pick a song that matches your heartbeat, your rate of breathing, and your rate of moving. Once you have found tempo, consider volume. If you are overstimulated, finding the music that matches your current state is very important, as it can help you feel your emotions and get more intuitive with yourself. Another form of music that will help people relax is music without lyrics. Lyrics can sometimes make the brain think too much, as the brain is trying to focus on the story being told. So when you take the lyrics away from that, the brain has nothing to really focus on except relaxing. It can wander freely to wherever it wants to, and therefore will get away from any anxiety or constant pressure you are feeling. Alongside reducing anxiety, music is also able to reduce stress. In fact, songs that feature a slow tempo are able to relax muscles and quiet your mind, making you feel soothed and release any feelings of stress that have built up throughout the day. Researchers at Stanford University have found that listening to music seems to be able to change brain functioning to the same extent as medication. This research confirms that music around 60 beats per minute can cause the brain to synchronize with the beat, causing the alpha brainwaves. With the alpha brainwaves, you are able to feel more relaxed and conscious and therefore free of stress. While many struggle to find the best kind of music to reduce stress, it has been found that music that relates to nature, such as sounds of rain or thunder, and combined with sounds such as jazz and classical music, are the best ways of doing so. Now, of course, many do not like this kind of music, and many would choose to not listen to this kind of music on their own. But if you feel as if this would drastically hurt you, make your own better judgment and listen to the music that you feel you can relate to the most and that will put you away from your stresses the most. On top of helping with mental health, music is also able to better physical activity. While slow tempo is used to relax one's mind of stress, fast tempo music is used to help engage in physical athletic performance. Psychologists have found that music can improve athletic performance in two ways. It can delay fatigue or it can increase work capacity. And according to studies, music can lead to higher than expected levels of endurance, power, productivity, or strength. With this increase in capacity, you could have more motivation to complete a workout and get your body into better shape, instead of laying on the couch and becoming a slug. You are able to get up and feel better, especially when you're in quarantine. Listening to music will give you the motivation to get up and better your physical health. It's also found that tempo, measured in beats per minute, affects one's levels of exercise. For example, a tempo for enhanced performance on the treadmill is between 123 and 131 beats per minute. By finding the perfect tempo for your desired workout, you are able to actually synchronize your strides or pedals to the beat of the music. In that synchronization, you're able to feel your body moving through the music, and it results in a powerful feeling that you feel positive for doing. You feel positive for matching your body up to this music and going and feeling yourself move. And in that positive reward, you want to keep doing it. And by keep doing it, you're ultimately being a better and more active human being. And all in all, music has so many ways of benefiting one's health. And although many fail to take advantage of the positive benefits that come along with listening to music, studies have found that one's mental and physical well-being are able to drastically increase in positive aspects once engaging in their favorite music of choice. At the end of the day, we could all use a better health increase. And at the end of the day, it is important for us to maintain this better health increase mentally and physically, as there's so many excuses that we can make that we could just become couch potatoes, but that's not okay. And with this music, we can be able to achieve our goal.